We're being asked to find the effect of log gestation in this regression model. The regression model is modeling the mean log brain size as a function of gestation length, body size, and litter size. And in that model, we have an intercept beta 0 plus a parameter beta 1 times the log body size plus a parameter beta 2 times the log gestation length. So because we're interested in the effect of log gestation, by definition, that's the change in mean when log gestation is increased by 1, holding all other variables constant. So to figure this out, we're going to be interested in the difference of two means. The mean of the response, log brain size. I'm going to leave that part blank for a second. And we're going to be comparing that mean to another mean of log brain size. I'm going to leave that blank for a moment. So we're interested in the change in mean. We're going to find that by looking at the difference of two means. And the two means we're interested in, or the change we're interested in, is when log gestation is increased by 1. So on the right hand side, I'm going to have log gestation. I'm just going to abbreviate it. And on the left hand side, I'm going to increase that by 1. So log gestation plus 1. So because I was interested here in the effect of the log of gestation, it's the log of gestation that's increasing by 1. If I'd been asked for the effect of gestation, then it would have just been gestation that increased by 1. And everything else is being held constant. So in this model, there's also body size. That's going to be the same on the left-hand side and the right-hand side of this difference. It also says here it's a function of litter size, although there's no terms for litter size in my model, so I'm just going to leave that off in these two means. Okay, so that difference of means tells me what the effect of log gestation is. The next step I want to take is to substitute in my regression model to replace each of these two means. So on the left-hand side, I have a beta 0 plus beta 1 times log body size plus beta 2. I have to be careful here, I've got a log gestation showing up, but really what I want is a log gestation plus 1. So log gestation plus 1. Okay, and then my other mean, I'm going to put it down a line, is also going to have a beta 0 plus beta 1 times log body size plus beta 2, and this time remember I'm just talking about log gestation, so beta 2 log gestation. Now at this point, you generally want to multiply out anything, particularly in that left-hand side that needs to be multiplied out, and then we can do some cancellation between our two means. I'm going to do that in one step in this example to save a little time and space. I know that if I multiply out this term here, I'd get a beta 2 log gestation plus a beta 2. So because of the multiplication there, I'll get two terms. And I know that beta 2 log gestation is going to cancel out with this beta 2 log gestation, but I'll still be left with that beta 2 up there. Everything else is going to cancel too. The beta 0 here will cancel with this beta 0. The beta 1 log body will also cancel with this beta 1 log body. So if you go through all that cancellation, you discover that the effect of log gestation is simply beta 2.